Do you dream of a holiday with bright water and beautiful beaches? Still today, you can find those places, but if we don't start to fight against plastic pollution now, the next generation will not have the privilege to enjoy the clear waters and nature. The plastic waste problem is global and it is severe. We all at Paptic, we love and dream of the clean waters, the clean nature, but we want to realize our dreams, and for us that means developing the Paptic material that is renewable, recyclable and reusable, and especially replacing plastics in the applications where plastic films have the highest risk of ending up in the nature. We, as individuals, consume more than ever before. We order online, and the packages are traveling from Shanghai to London to New York, which means that more sustainable packaging materials are needed. At the same time, our sustainability and responsibility awareness has increased, and we expect responsible actions from brands. We also question, what is the packaging made of? Is the packaging reusable? How easily can I recycle it? Packaging plays a vital role in the battle against plastic waste, as 40% of plastics is used in packaging just once and then discarded. The main raw material of Paptic is wood fibers sourced from sustainably managed forests, and at the end of the life cycle, Paptic materials can be recycled together with cardboard. The application areas of Paptic are wide, ranging from product packaging to retail packaging. The unique Paptic material is soft, durable and foldable, and these three properties enable the reusability, which is maximizing the brand visibility, and combined with recyclability creates the perfect circular economy solution. I hope that in 10 years, when you type plastic waste into your favorite search engine, you will not get images of plastic waste islands of the Pacific, but rather stories, images, how Paptic, together with other sustainable companies, have solved the plastic waste accumulation challenge of this planet.